I just wanted to add that for me, I guess this is like one of the best features ever. We have like an HTML generated div, which is like an interactive. You have like these drop downs you will see later in the demo, and you can really like dive into what actually is, what are actually the changes. And this is one of the coolest things because it was really hard to do previously, right? Like I said in the start, it was really hard to see, what are the differences between these two environments, right? And like Irka said, like usually this is done either manually, and we will even talk about that. But there is also, you can use like migration scripts that we already had as well. But these are like the small iterative scripts, that apply changes like you have in database scripting, basically. But again, like you don't really see the differences, and you just rely on that the target environment is, as you perceive it should be. But if you have a person in production that changes the content model manually there, you will never know, and the whole migration might just break everything. So this is like super cool that even if you have, weird scenarios like this, when somebody changes something in production or in the upstream environment, you can just preview and see, basically everything that will happen within that migration if you really click the sync. And you don't even need to like store all these different like small migrations. You just basically have your own content model. We can have it in a file like Irka said in the local snapshot. You can still edit it manually, or you can just have like a source environment where everything is happening and all the other environments are being then synced from this one environment. And again, whenever you want, you can just export it into a very simple JSON format, update it locally, have like a stable snapshot, and just use versioning to see the history anyway. So I guess this is really like very nice approach, very simple for the user, while also like covering all your bases, being less error prone than all the other approaches before it.